Hey, money magnets, you should drop Navy Federal for these $50,000 credit cards.
I don't know about that, Gloria. But guys, today we're going to tell you about the American Airlines Credit Union. We're going to tell you how to join and what bureau they pull.
Okay, money magnets, let's dive into the first card, which is the Visa Signature Cashback Card. Now, with this particular card, we're talking about $50,000 money magnet. So you get $250 back when you spend $5,000 in the first 90 days. You know, I love the cards that give cash back, money magnets. Also, you get 2% unlimited cash back on all other purchases. And with this particular card, you get global entry or TSA pre-check. You get a credit of up to $100. Now, you know that can be a cash flow changer because when you swiping through that airport, you want to be able to have TSA available, okay? There's no annual fee for this particular card, no foreign transaction fees. But Marvin, let's see what other cards they have available.
All right, Gloria, they also have the Visa Platinum Rewards Card. Now, this is a card you might want to use as an everyday card. For every dollar spent, you get one reward point. All right, no
Okay.
annual fee, no foreign transaction fee. And remember, guys, we're talking about $50,000 limits. You can
Mhm.
also earn 25,000 connection points. So, Gloria, I like this card more as an everyday card. But
Okay.
Gloria, tell them about the next card, the low rate card.
Okay, so the next card that they have is the Visa Platinum Low Rate Card. Now, with this card, you don't get all of those little bonuses, and y'all know I love bonuses. But if you're looking for a lower interest rate, this would be the card for you. Okay, so you can get 2.25 APR with this card for the first 6 months. Now, that's pretty good, Marvin. Also, you get 1% foreign transaction fees. Now, Money Magnet, keep in mind that when you're looking at these cards, look at which card has the best benefits for you, okay? Also, this card has travel accident insurance, it has auto rental collision insurance, it has emergency travel assistance on this particular card. But Marvin, let's dive into what else this amazing credit union has to offer.
All right. I want you guys to remember, guys, comment below if you got any experience with the American Airlines Credit Union. Also, like and share this video, guys. And we want you to realize we're not telling you to get high limit credit cards to go out and spend money. We're encouraging you guys to go start a side business or take the business you have to another level so that you can get more business funding to scale your business, because most businesses fail because of a lack of capital. And if you want a free business strategy call, look in the description below and you can get in touch with Gloria and myself. But Gloria, they also have the Visa Platinum Secure Card. Now, this
Okay.
card is if you're starting over or if you've never had a credit card and you want to build credit for the first time. To
Right.
me, these cards are the best when you have limited credit because you can put up to $5,000 of your money in a
Mhm.
savings account and you can use this to build credit. And to me, it's one of the best ways to establish a relationship. Instead of doing kickoff, self, credit strong, I really suggest getting a secure card because now, day one, you have a relationship. And the older that relationship is, guess what? They're going to upgrade that card eventually to an unsecured card. But Gloria, let's also tell them about the Visa Platinum Starter Rewards Card.
Okay. So Marvin, if you're new to credit and you're just getting, trying to jumpstart your credit, this would be the perfect card for you. Okay. This card has the same benefits as the Visa Platinum Rewards card, but it gives you a lower limit, so just keep
Yeah.
that in mind. Now, with this card, it does give you 5,000 connection points when you use your card,
Mhm.
within your first transaction. I love that about this particular card, especially if you're jump starting your credit. I like benefits. I like reward points. So that's pretty good, Marvin. This is not only a card that's going to help you jumpstart your credit, it's giving you an extra benefit. Okay, Marvin, let's move on to the next card.
Okay, they also have a Visa Business Platinum Card. Now, this is 0% for 6 months, no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee. You do earn 1 point for every dollar you spend. So, this is great if you're starting that small business and you want to grow your business. Having 0%, like Gloria says, it's a cash flow changer. Now, you have
Yes.
cheapest interest you can possibly get, and you're probably going to have up to $50,000. Now, I would make sure before I apply for this card, I start a checking account And guess what, guys? You want to have over a 700 credit score, less than 3 inquiries. And if they check systems, I will have less than 3 inquiries in the last 6 months, because you don't want to get denied because it looks like you're looking for too much money. So, guys, really check out your credit score. If you're starting out, you got limited credit, look at that security card. There's nothing wrong with getting a security card so that you can build a relationship. But Gloria, let's jump into the personal loans and tell them about that.
Okay, Marvin. Now, with the personal loans, they have a lot to offer. Okay. So they have a personal loan, they have a consolidation loan. So if you have high utilization, I
Yeah.
will most definitely look at consolidating all of those high credit cards to one payment. Okay. Also, they have a line of credit and they have a financial hardship, Marvin. That right there can really change the game for you because like a lot of people are going through a lot of different things like the wildfires in California. Just think
Yeah.
about, if you're with the credit union that's willing to help put you in a better position because you lost everything.
Yep. And keep in mind, guys, they want you to have a high credit score. They may even ask for proof of income. So I would be prepared with my check stubs, letting them know, hey, I want to start a relationship and I'm willing to give you all the documentation, because now we're starting to see more and more with credit cards, with banks, with
Mhm.
credit unions, that they want to have proof of income. So be prepared, guys. Look, Gloria, let's tell them about the auto loans and the other loans that they have.
Okay. So with the auto loans, I love when we can get a new vehicle, okay? So they do used and new vehicles, okay?
Yeah.
And one thing that I did notice about this credit union that I absolutely love, being that it is an airline credit union, guess what? This credit union will finance your new plane.
Yeah.
Marvin, can you buy me an airplane? Because I am so ready to be back on the runway.
Hey, let's work on it. Look, also, guys, they have all-terrain vehicles. You can get boats and other watercraft, even lawnmowers. They'll finance lawnmowers, motorcycles,
Yes.
campers, RVs. So just about any moving vehicle, they're going to finance. And they also had the first time auto loan, Gloria, that they offer as well. So if you got teenage kids that are
Hmm.
getting ready to go to college and buy their first automobile, this could be
Yes.
great to help them get started with their finances. And I just wanted to say real quick, if you got kids, guys, remember, get your kids started with their first bank account or first savings account when they're like 12 or 13. Gloria and I did that with our kids. And now our kids are anywhere from 21 to 31, and they all have their own credit and they're all in different credit unions. We got most of
Yes.
them in Navy Federal, but now they can handle all their financial things by themselves.
And Marvin, let's not forget, money magnets, these loans go from 36 months all the way to 60 months. And your interest rate will be determined on how many months that you want to finance your vehicle or your recreational vehicle.
Right, right. And guys, look, I want you to check out this testimony real fast.
Hello, my name is Rachel,
My name is Tradarius.
and we are starting a food truck business. We needed the capital for our business, so Marvin and Glory helped us raise $50,000.
Yeah, it was a super easy, quick and easy process. It only took like 3 to 4 business days to get done, and it went quicker than what I thought it would. So I highly suggest y'all shop with them. So contact them if y'all want funding, and a quick and easy process to get it done. So yeah,
Work smarter, not harder.
there you
All right, Marvin, let's jump into the mortgages.
All right, Gloria, with the mortgages, they have fixed rate mortgages that go up to 30 years. They have jumbo loans. They even have adjustable rate loans. And if you're interested in a refinance, you can do a cash out refinance, and you can also apply for a HELOC. And like Gloria was saying earlier, if you have a lot of credit cards and you're getting overwhelmed with the balances getting really high and dragging your score down, you may want to consider a cash out refi or a HELOC to lower your credit cards so that you got a longer time to pay them off. But remember, don't charge those cards up again, because we want to get you out of debt so that you can start a business and you can
Yes.
have some time freedom, guys.
Now, money magnets, don't forget to like and share. If you don't need this video, share it with someone else that may need this.
All right, Gloria, let's give them a quick recap on how they joined this credit union and what bureau they pull.
Okay, money magnets, in order to join this credit union, you have to be associated with the airport employee. Now, the wonderful thing about that is if you have a family member that's already a part of this credit union, you can also join. And it has to be an immediate family member, a sister, a brother, a sibling, parents, okay? Or you can join by being same household member. So if you have the same address, just like Navy Federal does, guess what? That is a cheat code that can help you get into this particular credit union.
Yeah, guys, and I would be resourceful to get into a credit union like this because these are some really high limits. They got some great benefits. And I think that you guys should use that same resourcefulness to get in this credit union. But remember, they may ask for documentation of income, and then they're going to pull Experian and keep those inquiries low.
Okay, Marvin, do you really think they're better than Navy Federal?
Well, I don't know. I mean, it may be hard to get in, but I do like the limits on the credit cards, the personal loans, and all the other loans that they have that can help you out in your life if you want to buy recreational vehicles, get a mortgage. I mean, they offer a lot and they got a business card. And sounds like that business card limit might be higher than Navy Federal. So I don't know. They might have Navy Federal a little bit, but it's going to be a little harder to get in this credit union.
Okay, Marvin, hold up. I have a gem.
What you
Okay,
got?
Money Magnets, if you're looking for another $50,000 credit card, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.